Picture this, a factory floor operating perfectly, products moving, errors corrected, all without a single human touch. What you're seeing here isn't science fiction, it's the invisible hand of AI.
Most of us think AI is just a chatbot, but the real game changer is AI systems, orchestrating complex workflows, making decisions, adapting, and executing tasks autonomously. This invisible hand feels like magic, yet its systematic design often frustrates non-coders trying to grasp its industrial power.
The core idea is this. Picture a smart factory floor, not just robots, but specialist AI agents. Each has a specific job: inventory, quality control, assembly. They don't wait for human instructions. They communicate, decide, and act autonomously. This is why it matters. My workflow sees them as a highly optimized assembly line, each station making micro decisions.
Let's unpack this with a real-world problem, a customer order. Traditionally, multiple human steps.
With agentic workflows, an order triggers a supervisor agent that delegates. Inventory agent checks stock, production agent schedules, logistics agent arranges shipping.
Each specialist runs its subroutine, predefined actions. The inventory agent might identify a low item, reorder, and confirm availability. This autonomous decision-making is the secret ingredient, replacing human decisions. Under the hood, these agents aren't blindly following a script. They're constantly feeding information back. Picture this. The production agent reports a material shortage. The supervisor doesn't stop. It might tell the logistics agent to find an alternative supplier, or customer service to update status. My experience shows this feedback loop is where true power lies. It's an intelligent system making judgment calls, like a factory manager, but at unmatched speed. What you're seeing here is a continuous cycle of observation, decision, and action. It's all about understanding the blueprint, not building circuits. For non-coders, power isn't in writing code, but designing the workflow, specifying goals, defining agent roles, setting autonomy parameters. Think of yourself as the factory architect. Here's the breakdown. You define the outcome, and the agentic system figures out the best path. My workflow for clients maps manual processes, identifies bottlenecks, then designs agent roles to eliminate friction. It's designing a more efficient, invisible hand. The true revelation is this. Agentic workflows don't just speed up tasks. They automate decision-making and coordination. It's an invisible layer of intelligence, connecting the dots, allowing a system to self-regulate, anticipate needs, and resolve problems without constant human intervention. You're automating the thought process of a specialist team, making the system adaptive. Ultimately, true power isn't in a single AI, but in the intelligent, autonomous orchestra of specialized AIs. It's a fundamental shift. How might these invisible hands of AI change how you approach problems or automate processes in your own work? Share your thoughts below.